God Dattatreya is a god who is incarnation of the divine trinity Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. The word Datta means given. Datta is called so because the divine trinity have given themselves in the form of son to the sage couple Guru Atri and Mata Anusaya. He is the son of Guru Atri, hence the name Atreya. The combination forms the name Dattatreya. In the Nath tradition, Dattatreya is seen as avatar or incarnation of Lord Shiva, as Adi Guru, that is the first teacher of Adi Nath Sampradaya of Nathas. Although Dattatreya was at first a lord of yoga with tantric trails, he was adapted into more devotional cults. While still worshipped by millions of Hindus, he is approached more as benevolent god than as a teacher of the highest essence of Indian thought. According to scriptures, Lord Dattatreya was born on Wednesday, the 14th day of full moon in the month of Margashisa. Though the year is not mentioned, Dattatreya left home at an early age to wander naked in search of the Absolute. He seems to have spent more of his life wandering in the area around North Mysuru through the Maharashtra and into Gujarat as far as the Narmada River. He attained realization at the place not far from the town now known as Ganangapur. The original footprints found on the Mount Girnar were the Lord Neminath, the 22nd Tirthankar of Jainism. Later, during the late 19th century, both Hindus and Jains worshipped the same footprints, considering to be their own deity. The Tatra is usually depicted with three heads, symbolizing Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, past, present, and the future, and the three states of consciousness waking, dreaming, and dreamless sleep. He is portrayed sitting in meditation with his Shakti beneath the Audumbara tree. In front of him is the fire pit, and around him are the four dogs. These are sometimes said to symbolize the four Vedas. Dattatreya is worshipped by millions of Hindus. In Maharashtra, he is most worshipped with his first avatar, Shripad, Sri Vallabha, and Swami Samarth as the third one. Statues of Dattatreya are used for worshipping and can be placed in puja rooms, living rooms, temples, offices, and more. So this was about the Dattatreya incarnation. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.